Hello everyone and welcome back. My newest project is going to be this mid-century chest of drawers. Overall, it was in pretty good condition. It did have some minor blemishes, some surface scratches and dings to it. It also had this dated finish to it, so I decided that I was going to put my own spin on it and give it a fresh new look. It was missing a little piece of the trim at the bottom here, but as luck would have it, it was sitting right inside. The thrift stores I usually go to are usually pretty good about keeping any broken pieces. So let's get started. The top section had these removable dividers that I'm sure were used to keep folded sweaters, pants, that kind of thing, all nice and organized. At first I thought the hardware might be solid brass just because it was non-magnetic. While cleaning the hardware with some barkeeper's friend, I realized that the handles to both the drawers and the doors were in fact not solid brass. They didn't quite have the heft that they should have if they were solid brass. The cleaning also removed the plating on top of the inner metal, which I'm guessing was either a zinc alloy or just some kind of pot metal. The caps to the front legs were solid brass and actually cleaned up very nicely. The piece was marked White Fine Furniture, which is a manufacturer that I have come across in the past. I wanted to remove the finish on the whole piece, so I used a combination of scraping and sanding. I took the backing board off the top of the dresser just so I could have easier access to the inside. I ended up hand sanding all of the curved edges and the grooves. After many hours of scraping and sanding, I took a tack cloth and wiped the whole piece down just to get rid of any residual dust. I then stained the whole piece with this Varathane Early American color. I wanted the larger elements of the piece to be a darker color, so I went over those with a black stain. I've used this technique before, and I really like the way that the warm undertone just slightly peeks through the black, giving it a nice rich tone. I spray painted all of the hardware a brass color. Three coats of clear satin poly. And finally, replacing all the hardware. I want to thank you all again for watching, and I really appreciate all of the helpful and encouraging comments. Now, let's take a look at the finished piece.